hordes of birds, although it looks noticeably more empty than it usually does. Homes over here were actually built by Henry Ford back in the day for his various executives. Over here is a large open park named Alexander Park. Yeah, it's quite the beautiful park, if I do say so myself, and features the George Bergeron Healing Garden, which is dedicated to a former member of the Multiple Scoliosis Society of Windsor. It is marked by a bronze statue right at the front of the garden. It features many different flowers and is its purpose is to help us connect with the natural cycles of life, making us feel relaxed, peaceful, and joyful. We suggest checking it out during the summer seasons when the flowers are in full bloom. Not only does it look beautiful, it smells just as good as it looks. Looks like they're setting up for some sort of event over here too.